Data lake and analytics platform provider Starburst is adding new capabilities to support every stage of the cloud journey. But what does this mean for business? We're going to find out on this episode of Taking Stock.
Starburst allows you to run analytics on all of your data, regardless of where it lives, regardless of what database or on-prem or in the cloud.
What sets it apart from its competitors?
The biggest thing is that ability to federate across multiple data sources. We work on-prem, in the cloud, across multiple different environments, and being able to have a single point of access to all of your data is what makes us unique.
Tell me about the new capabilities that Starburst is adding.
In particular, a lot of what we've been adding is the ability to perform really fine-grained access controls on top of all of that data. So if you're going to have a single point of access, you want to have a single point of access control and make sure that the right people have access to the right data.
Now, from where you sit as a CEO, how do you balance that innovation as well as the dynamic field of data analytics?
It is dynamic. It is always changing. And I think the reality is you always have to be innovating to stay ahead of your competition. Right now, of course, the latest thing is generative AI. And how can you incorporate those capabilities to distinguish yourself from your competitors? In our case, we've actually created a way to express a query in natural language, in English. So you could say, give me last month's sales results, and it'll turn that into a query that will actually be run on the databases themselves. So you don't need to be an expert anymore, and that's one example of the power of these new technologies.
What can we expect from Starburst come 2024?
2024, we hope will be a very big year for us. We recently announced a new partnership with Dell, which we're excited to partner with, in particular because they know where so much of that on-prem data lives, and so many of their storage products are now accessible to Starburst as well. So it really just expands the footprint of possibility.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.